Welcome. I'm filming this in spring of 2020, and summer of 2019 I released a video called Downloading YouTube Video List for Your Channel using PHP and Google API. And what this allowed me to do was create a list of all my videos. And it was very handy because say I want to link to another video, I can search for it on this page and bring it up really quick, and then I could go over to my view link here and right click on that and copy that into my video and things like that. I could also look for errors easily, and if I needed to edit a video I could click edit here. So that was a very nice tool, but I really needed more, and I kind of wanted to build something that would update, like a batch search and replace. And I looked into it, but I just didn't have it in me to do that right now, and I needed to do that soon. So I ended up going with a tool that I've seen many times called TubeBuddy. And after I signed up for this today, I realized they have an affiliate program, so I did sign up for that, and I will put a link in the description of that. And if you want to check it out and use my link, it helps me out a little bit. And if you don't want to use my link, that's cool too. So what TubeBuddy is, it's an automation tool. It helps you with keywords, this and that, but the main thing that I wanted from it was the search and replace capability, and it also has other features I wanted to check out. So they have 3 paid levels here, and then they also have a free level, and down below they have this chart. And let's see, if I scroll down here, the features I wanted were bulk updates. That's somewhere on here. Bulk find, replace, and append. So I went to the $19 level, which is star, to get that feature. And then the legend has, I don't know, more features on it than that. But there is a huge list of things here. You can do templates, canned responses, it analyzes things. There's lots of things on here. Keyword Explorer. I mean, you name it. It's very extensive, so it's going to take me a while to go through this. So I'm planning on making more videos on this. And if you're not interested in TubeBuddy, the other videos I may do some things that use TubeBuddy and then go into some other things, because I have some like command line analysis I want to do, and I may make some videos on that shortly. So I chose the star level, and I'll close out of this. And my link here, you'll see it down below. It's just TubeBuddy/RickMakes. So to use this, you'll install a plugin. It's a TubeBuddy plugin on Chrome, and I don't know if this runs in other browsers, but it runs in Chrome. So once you install that, it will kind of take over your YouTube studio. So you can see a little icon up here on the upper right next to the address bar. It has TubeBuddy there, and then it's also on my YouTube channel. And if I click on that, it'll bring up this little menu. So like this has milestones here. It said I hit 800 uploads. I did that a few days ago. And I've reached 7,000 subscribers and 4 million views. So I've been on YouTube since, I think, April 2006, and I've been full-time YouTuber for 2 years now. So I'm not going to go over it in this video, but I'll show you kind of what I wanted out of this. Is if I click on videos here, I have 800 videos, and sometimes I want to update things. So I'll click on my little details here. A couple of things I was looking at updating is I had Amazon links that weren't HTTPS, and it's not a big deal. But I kind of wanted consistency. I wanted to update that. I wanted to download all the links so I can check them. That's something I'll make a future video about. But just for example, if I want to update these, what I did is I could just copy this link here. I'll go back to all my videos. This has this bulk meta actions thing, and if I click on titles and description, it has a find and replace text. So I can place my find text in there and my replace text here, and I'll take the S out of the HTTP. So it's HTTP with no S, and then the next one has an S. And then you can go down here. This is kind of hard to see. I filmed this at 720p. Normally I work at a higher resolution. And you can hit continue here, and you go through the screens, and this will search all your videos if you want, which all 800, and it will find and replace those. There's one thing you have to think about though, is when you're doing a batch process or an automated process, you can batch screw everything up. So you need to really think what you're doing here. And there's a way to back up some of your data with this, so that's kind of cool. I'll go over that in a different video. But this was a really handy tool. If I were to go in and hit edit on all these videos to update it, it would take me, days. And I would hate it. So this was a nice solution here. I'll close out of that. You can also do bulk cart actions, bulk end screen actions, and there's some tools here for like COPA Center. That's for checking if you have videos related to kids. demonetization check, backup, and schedule. And those are kind of the processes here. This isn't the whole system. There's this little screen here. These have little quick links here. You can go to dashboard, videos, playlist, comments. Then these are the tools that go within it, like Keyword Explorer. You can search for keywords. It gives you stats on that. I'm not an expert on all that stuff. If you're in editing a video, it has this thing to like switch between videos. So you click on that, you can go to the next video. So through here, there's a create thumbnail option. There's something for doing tags, so you can automatically add tags. There's tag tools. I mean, there's many options on here. I haven't even gone through all these yet. You can copy cards. So I'm also hoping to do some templates on here because when I upload the video, I have to go in and say it uses English and things like that. I'd really like that all to be automated. I wasted a lot of time doing that. Then if you go to TubeBuddy itself, there's a little dashboard here. There's a health report. There's data and insights. There's channel valuation. That costs extra money. Retention analyzer, launchpad. There's lots of different things on here. So I'm looking forward to hopefully adding value to my YouTube channel and my website with this. I really wanted to make sure all my links on all my videos were up to date because I have videos that are years old, but they're still somewhat relevant. I went to some of my old links and the sites had completely changed, so my links weren't good anymore. So I literally installed this hours ago, so I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it, but I'll probably make videos about this in the future. But in the meantime, if you have any questions or if there's anything you want me to explore with this, please leave it below in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.